So it's moving day, and y'all already know it's just a 2-man army. Well, 2.5. What is them show called? 2.5 Men. It's a 2.5 women, half man. But it's just me and my mother today, and we don't even give a you already know who, because it is out of here. So what we did first was took all the clothes, everything that was bagged up, and we packed it. Well, I packed the car in as my mom was bringing them to me. And I'm going to save the heavier things like the mattress, the couches, the bed pieces, all the bigger pieces for my brother. So again, we're just going to go ahead and pack up the car again. And then me, my mom, and my baby is heading down to make our first trip to our new apartment. Townhouse. Listen to me, girl. Get your act together. Car packed up. This is our first trip. This is all the clothes. So come on, vlog. Good morning. I'm so excited. Okay. Unload the car. This is the first trip, and I'm just sitting all in the garage because y'all know we come from Jumanji. I'm not playing that. Jumanji can stay where it's at. And so now we're going to just unload the car, and I'm going to stack everything up. As y'all heard me say before, I am not taking anything in the house. Everything will get emptied and unpacked from the garage. So that's what we're doing, unloading and unpacking. And y'all, when I tell you, me and my mother is the most happiest girls on the planet. My man don't get home until next week, so we're going to make this shit happen until he gets here. And this is what we have so far. All these bags, I'm going to open everything and let everything, do its thing. But then I'm going to go back home and get another load and do that until I'm exhausted, because tomorrow is the first. I told y'all it was so last minute, but I'm so thankful. Not a complaint in the world. But I told y'all, just stay with your girl. Stay with your girl. Okay, now we're headed back for trip 2. Guys, I know I'm getting really crunchy with the recording, but I forgot to freaking record me packing up the car again. As you guys can see, I am headed back down to my favorite area. I love living in this area, you guys. It is so peaceful for me. If you know, you know. Get about it. Go in the garage. So by this time, guys, my phone was going dead, and I didn't record all day, but mind y'all, I did exactly what I'm doing now all day. We started at about, I'm gonna say 10 a.m. and we didn't finish till about 7 p.m. So y'all know it was a hard working day, but by the time we would finish, the entire garage was covered. Like, there was no way to walk in to do anything. So we have to unpack from the door and literally shake everything out from there. But stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because today I am definitely posting a little house tour. Again, thank you, Nay.